Audit Logs are now available for Pro licensed users within Fusion Signage. This feature allows you to track user activities across your account, helping you to understand who made the changes, when they happened, and what exactly was done. So whether you need to troubleshoot issues, review team activity, or investigate accidental deletions, Audit Logs will help to give you the visibility that you need. To find your Audit Logs, head to Settings, and then there's an Audit tab on the far right. From here, you'll see the full list of any actions that have happened within your account. There'll be multiple pages, and you can filter the pages based on how many items you want to see per page, and you'll be able to switch the pages to find older entries. What you'll see for each entry is the date and time that the action occurred, the actor, so who performed the action itself, and the target of that action, as well as a brief description on what that action was or any extra context needed. A few practical examples of when Audit Logs will be useful would be to quickly identify accidental deletions, review who created or edited the items, and also to maintain a reliable history of changes for audits. Just a couple of important notes: Audit Logs are read-only and they can't be edited. Tracking also began back in May 2025, so any actions that happened before that point aren't recorded. The data is retained for the life of your company account, and it's permanently deleted if the account is deleted. If you ever need your data deleted sooner, please feel free to submit a data deletion request form, which can be found on the main Fusion Signage website in the footer under data deletion. And that's it. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to reach out to the support team at support@fusionsignage.com.au.